Pride raises your ego and causes you to forget that it's through God that all manifestation is possible. It's through God that you're able to co-create and manifest and create a life you desire. But let's talk about specifically what happens if pride goes unchecked. It affects your manifestations because you are actually forgetting the source of where you are able to even create and think of things from. Your confidence in your ability to manifest and your confidence in your ability to co-create should come from the fact that you have faith in. What emotions do you find yourself in? What emotions do you allow to linger? Or what emotions do you just downright allow to explode or come out? The whole point of this series is to figure out how can we properly take care of ourselves? How can we properly take care of those inner words, thoughts, feelings, emotions, so that, sorry, I just kind of love eating these. How do you get ready before you step out into the world? How do you get your thoughts, your words, your emotions, your feelings? How do you get this stuff ready before you decide to go act? How are you taking care of your inner house? And this inner house is what I'm referring to as your spiritual hygiene. Stella, get into man. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna analyze one deadly sin and talk about how that could affect your manifestation. And if you don't know, I have this spiritual hygiene series going on my channel, not only with this concept, but with just bettering your spiritual health. Think again, how are you getting ready with this innermost house? Because this innermost house has the ability to connect with God, but are you using that, and how are you using that? If you look at the definition of the word hygiene, it's your ability to maintain health. In the same way, spiritual hygiene, your ability to maintain spiritual alignment. Spiritually, we should maintain great health so that we're able to listen to the whisper of God in our intuition, because it's not always going to be allowed like this is the right way, this is the wrong way. Where are you choosing to align your thoughts? Where are you choosing to align your words? Where are you choosing to align the things you write down? And wherever you choose to align these things is where you choose to align your behaviors. That's where my channel comes in, ladies and gentlemen. So don't forget to hit that subscribe. If pride comes in the way that we don't acknowledge that it is a father that allows us to do anything, that allows anything to even progress, that allows us how we want to live, if we don't acknowledge that it's the father that does the work, sometimes we try to take things into our own hands. Sometimes we try to write the program. Sometimes we try to flip the script. It's his pride, it's his ego that was one of the main factors why Satan fell from heaven. He wanted to be above everyone, and that he wanted to rule over creation. He wanted to rule even over God. People who want to be above the program, people who think they're above the program. And I'll actually read James 4 verses 6. God opposes the proud, but gives grace to the humble. What does this even mean? Pride can disrupt how you relate to God. So when it says to be humble before God, it's more surrendering to God, that you know that you can't do this without him. You know that his will is the best way. You can't manifest anything on your own. So show him that you know that. Ask God, how is the best way for this, for the benefit of all, to play out? That shows that you are caring about how you show up, how that affects not only yourself, but how it affects other people. So what is the best way to manifest? Through God, because to actually ask for connection with God, instead of thinking that your way is the best way, your way is God's way because it's your way. Actually give yourself moments to slow down and connect and align yourself. God wants the best for us, but God wants us being humble but surrendering to God, not surrendering to your own will or to the will of others. This video is about pride. Your ego is overriding your humility. There's a disconnect. There is a disconnect. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. And Stella, get into it, man. Bye.